Hi, my name is Joe, and welcome to Medical Azul. Do you or a loved one suffer from urinary incontinence? Do you have trouble distinguishing the differences between disposable incontinence underpads? Don't worry, I got you covered. There are three main absorbencies when it comes to incontinence underpads: light, moderate, and ultra. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the product and effectiveness of ultra incontinence underpads. I wanted to show you the thickness of ultra absorbency, and I placed it right next to moderate absorbency and light absorbency. As you can tell, there's a lot more padding in the ultra absorbency. These are made to absorb a lot of fluid. So if your patient is bedridden or very incontinent, I would recommend these. They're easily foldable, and you can place them in a dresser or a drawer. Now that we have the ultra underpad open, just wanted to show you how thick the matting looks. It's almost like a small, thin blanket. And I would recommend these for patients that are bedridden and highly incontinent and who need a caregiver. I wouldn't recommend these for patients that are just doing basic wound care. These are meant to absorb a lot of fluid. It has a protective layer that kills the pH and odor and protects it from irritating the skin. All right, now that we have the ultra absorbency incontinence underpad open, now it's time to test it. Got some blue water right here. I'm gonna pour it on directly like that. Pour a little more, why not? It's ultra, why not? If you notice, the fluid doesn't expand anywhere or flow anywhere else into the blanket. It stays in one spot. All right, let it absorb. Then we're going to flip it over, test it out, see if there's any streaks. Nope, there you go. Right here too. All right, works perfectly. Thank you for watching this video. You can find all these products at medicalazul.com, AZUL. If you like this video, please like the video. Also, subscribe to my channel on YouTube at Medical Azul, AZUL. Thank you so much, and ciao.